Okay, this is topic number 17, part 2. Now, in this one, we will discuss all the alternate interior, exterior, corresponding consecutive interior angles. So, you have two lines C and D. Are they parallel? Are they parallel? No, they are not parallel, okay? And you have A and B. Are they parallel? No, they are also not parallel, but they are transversal to each other. They are transversal to each other. So, for line C and D, these are transversal line. For line A and B, C and D is transversal. Okay? Transversal line is basically if you have two lines and there is one intersecting lines. Right? Now, let's solve this question. Question number 8. Angle 4 and angle 5. Angle 4 and angle 5. Now, what is the relation between these two angles? So, if you look from this side, and if you say A is a transversal line, then they are consecutive interior angle. What they are? Consecutive interior angle. Why? Because they are in the same side and inside. Okay? Same side. This is your inside and this is your outside, or you call it exterior. Exterior. Right? That is for line C and D. If this is transversal. Okay, which is not mentioned here, so that's why we will take 4 and 5 as consecutive interior angles, right? Let's try to figure out other consecutive interior. What about 3 and 6? Is this consecutive interior? Yes, it is. Consecutive interior. Same side, inside. Now, if I say B is the transversal line, B is the transversal line, then 12 and 13. Is this consecutive interior? Good. Yes. Why no? It is yes. Same side and inside. 11 and 12. Is this consecutive interior? So if you look at this example, these are the pairs of consecutive interior. 4, 5, 3, 6, 12, 13, 11 and 14. Okay? When when A is a transversal, B is a transversal. All right? Okay. Now let's look at, okay, one more thing. If I say if C is the transversal on A and B, if C is the transversal on line A and line B, then which angle will be consecutive interior? Then angle 2 and angle 3 will be consecutive interior. 2 and 9 will be consecutive interior. Understood? Right. Now, if I say D is the transversal on A and B, then what will be the consecutive and interior angles? Right? So, I hope you understood the logic behind this. If you have, let's say, these lines and there is a transversal, then these angles are consecutive interior and these angles are consecutive interior. Similarly, if you have like this, then these two angles are consecutive interior and this is also consecutive interior. One more thing, the sum of consecutive interior angle is 180 degree. The sum of consecutive interior angle is 180 degree. Okay? Are they equal? If I say, can we say angle 4 congruent to angle 5? Is this correct? No. Because when I say consecutive interior angle, then angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal 180 degree. Alright, now I'll move quickly on the next questions. 9. Angle 5 and 15. Angle 5 and 15. So if you look, if these two are your lines and this is a transversal, then angle 5 and 15 is alternate exterior. Alternate exterior. Opposite side and outside. What other pair? 8 and 14 is also alternate exterior. Next question. 12 and 14. Where is 12? 12 is here and 14 is here. Alternate interior. Alternate 11 and 13. Alternate. Now let's talk about this one. If this is a transversal, then 4 and 6. Alternate 3 and 5. Alternate interior. 11. 7 and 15. Angle 7 and angle 15. Corresponding angles. Corresponding. Okay, what about 6 and 14? What is the name? 3 and 11. 2 and 10. 1 and 9. 4 and 12. 5 and 13. 1 and 5. 9 and 13. So this is how you need to know, right? Now let's move on to the next. 12. Question number 12. Angle 2 and 12. Angle 2 and where is 12? This one. Now what is the relation here? Alternate interior. Very good. 3 and 9. 6 and 16. 7 and 13. 3 and 5. 4 and 6. So you are understanding, what kind of pattern we are making here. If you have something like this and this, it makes alternate interior. If we have something like this and this, alternate exterior. If we have something like here and here, corresponding, right? So this is the difference. If we have something like same side and inside, then consecutive, consecutive interior, consecutive, right? That's how we say it. Now 13, angle 3 and 6, you guys tell me. Angle 3, consecutive interior, okay? Okay. 1 and 9, angle 1 and angle 9. 3 and 9. Very good. Next 6, 10 and 16. 5 and 13. 5 and 13. Very good. Corresponding. Right? So that's how we do it, and this word is called consecutive. I was saying consecutive because that's easy to first remember, and then we say the correct pronunciation. So this word is consecutive. Okay. Okay, great. So that's it for this video. This was the part 2, and